Hey everyone, Gearhead Abe here. I'm just showing you the brake upgrade that I'm doing. I'm going to do the entire system. I started with the back. I have a standard 11.5-inch rotor, and basically it's drilled and slotted, and basically I ran some better brake pads. I did that for the back. Let me show you real quick what it looks like here. And there it is. I painted the caliper with some VHT spray paint. It came out really well. I wish the sun was hitting it, but not quite. It actually looks really good in the light. Really nice. But the paint came out good, and everything worked out good. We're just gonna basically bleed this back brake here, and then this should be done with our back brake work. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on there. And then you can show them the front. This is the D154 Willwood brake caliper kit for, for most GM front upgrade kit. Basically it works with your standard everything. You don't have to cut anything, you don't have to hack anything. It's basically a direct bolt in. So that's pretty cool. I decided not to go with the LS1 rotors. I decided to just go with the with this route. I know the LS1 brakes are a little more popular, but I kind of wanted something that's that would work with the factory spindle and stuff. So there you have it. You can use your 10.5-inch rotor with this kit, which is cool. It's really nice. But yeah, everything's going well with the car. Just getting it ready, trying to get some better braking performance out of it. And this is kind of cool, but I'm gonna make the first video that has this upgrade kit on a GM vehicle. There's no reviews on YouTube or anything about it, so I'm excited to see my point of view. Oh, and I forgot to mention, with this kit, we're gonna be running steel braided lines, which is basically gonna give us a huge upgrade in the pedal feel. It's gonna feel a lot more non-spongy. Anyway, get this tire back on. Well, actually, I need to take it off. We're going to be bleeding, so we'll leave it off. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and look forward for more videos to come. Thanks for watching.